Hi folks, and welcome to the DS Cars video channel. Here today we have stunning wee car. It's a 2022 Vauxhall Corsa. It's the 1.2 design, petrol model, manual transmission. At the front here we've got LED daytime running lights and also LED headlights as well. Finished in the eye-catching crimson red. 16-inch alloy wheels. Popular 5-door hatchback. Practical, roomy, easy to run. This is it's a two-owner car, but it was a pre-reg, so it's actually one owner from new, bar the supplying Vauxhall dealer. Vauxhalls are very common to pre-register them to get their sales bonuses up and then sell them as second hand. So technically a two-owner car, but it's one owner. So inside, front and rear electric windows, electric door mirrors, height adjustable driver's seat, dual tone cloth interior, leather bound steering wheel, semi flat there in the bottom. We've got 2 remote keys. Touchscreen DAB radio, has CarPlay, Android Auto, everything you basically want. Android Auto, CarPlay, touchscreen. Sat-nav will be through CarPlay or your phone. Central locking button there, hazard warning lights there, manual heating, air conditioning, USB socket and power socket there. Down here we have the auto stop start turn off and the lane departure switch off. Child locks in the rear as well. 5-speed manual box, little cubby holes down there in the centre. Steering wheel controls, we've got cruise control and speed limit on this side, and then this side, answer, hang up your phone, volume control, and your radio change functions there. 32,208 miles on this car. We've auto headlights there as well. As I said there, the lights are LED, brilliant lights in these cars. Good storage there for water bottle. You get the largest of bottles in there, plus more cubby holes. Electric windows in the rear. Again, they can be switched off from the front. ISOFIX on the outer seats. 5-seater car. Good size boot in these. Also 60-40 split rear seat. And tire inflation kit in there. You do have the space for a spare wheel if you so wish to obtain one. Book pack, all in there. Stamped up service book. Airbag deactivation switch there for the passenger side. Suppose it would help if we opened the bonnet. So in here we've got the 3-cylinder 1.2, produces 75 brake horse, coupled to the manual 5-speed box. Easy to run, easy to maintain. So here folks, finance, PCP available on this. You can apply online directly from the website if you so require. If not, pick up the phone. Happy to help you. Comes 6 months warranty, can be extended out 12 or 24 if you so require. Eye-catching colour, LED lights, nice practical 5-door car, but bit of room. These are basically the same as a Peugeot 208 mechanically, but having the Vauxhall badge on them makes them brilliant value for money. So there you are folks, this car has just been fully serviced. New discs and pads on the front. Is ready to drive away today. No waiting to get your new car ready for prep. All our cars are all sitting ready, serviced and ready to go. Alright folks, if you like the video, give it a wee thumbs up. It won't hurt you and it doesn't cost anything. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button. You'll be notified as and when more new stuff comes into stock. Alright, once again, many thanks for watching.